Hey folks, how are you? Yeah, so I guess it's been a little bit of a while, right? It's been about 2 weeks. I've been traveling, while I was traveling early part of April. Um, I returned home and started kind of feel a little ill. It was a bronchial infection. I was coughing and sneezing and just all sorts of nasty stuff, and just didn't have time or the energy to record any videos. But I'm back and happy to see you guys here. Let's go over exactly like kind of some of the stuff that you haven't seen for the last 2 weeks. First and foremost, what in the world happened to my germination station? Oh my goodness, there's nothing in this one. There's no lights, there's no trays, there's no seedlings. What in the world happened? So on the second one, yep, we have a couple late bloomers, some honeycomb, some super steak tomatoes, just late germinated stuff, no big deal. Actually, here we actually have, I don't know if you guys are familiar with okra, but one of my neighbors in our community garden from South Carolina, she actually shared with me her seeds from her okra plant from last summer. I germinated them, and boom, look what they're doing, right? Awesome. So the other stuff, I'll walk. Actually, I have to walk out front and show you the other stuff. So let's take a look at that right now. All right, so we are back outside, looking at all of my germinated stuff. We have obviously beautiful, right here, beautiful yellow squash. Another yellow squash right behind it. What is this? This is a big Thai chili. Some more squash. Some more tomatoes. These are, what are these? Romas. So I have some Roma tomatoes germinating. Everything is outside. Everything is being hardened off at this point. Even more, I think this is a honeycomb. Yep, honeycomb tomato using the same 2-cup method. Doing absolutely wonderful. It is April the 22nd, no, 21st here in Zone 7 in Maryland. Some more yellow squash, already flowering, doing awesome. And yeah, so here is all of my peppers. Pecorino is doing extremely well. We also have the big Thai chilies. We have some jalapenos. And then I actually we have this one eggplant here, which is a Black Beauty, doing fairly well. But this entire tray here is all of my eggplant. There's actually 18 individual eggplants here. If you see, this one, another Black Beauty. A little bit of brownage on the edge, but not a big deal. We also have the white that I've never done, the white eggplants, but just to give you an idea here, this is a long purple one. And if you look at the size of this thing, it definitely, it should be in the ground at this point, but it's still a little chilly here. Especially at night. Another Black Beauty. And then let me walk you over real quick. I actually have a bunch of my tomatoes actually in the back of my pickup truck. These are some of the better boys. If you see how well they're doing, they are doing freaking awesome. There's actually 2 of them in this 2-cup tray. We also have the Gardener's Delight, which is a indeterminate variety. Beautiful, beautiful. They're not really cherry tomatoes, but they're not like a full-size tomato. They're a really, really awesome tomato because of the sweetness, the hardiness, the size. You could probably make, I don't know, you could probably get 6 or 8 of them, slice them in half. That would be more than enough for a meal. You guys remember I did a challenge on 100% peat moss versus 50-50 peat moss and potting mix and 100% potting mix. Well, here are the results for those. This one is, let me turn this around. This one is 100% peat moss. Got a little bit of yellowing on the leaves. That is 100% my fault. It was a little bit too early to add some nutrients to it, and I kind of shocked all 3 of them a little bit. But just for perspective, this one is probably about 10 inches tall. And then we have 100% potting mix right next to it. 100% potting mix. It's about probably 12 inches tall. All right. And the wind is blowing, so I hope these don't fall over, but let me just give you an idea. And then this last one is the 50-50, 50% potting mix, 50% peat moss. And that peat moss one is definitely the winner. That one is probably 16 inches tall, just to give you an idea. So 18-ounce cups. We have 100% peat to the left. We have 50-50 in the middle and 100% potting to the right. If I pan out, you can see there's a sizable difference on all 3 of those, right? The 50-50 is definitely a winner as far as my book. And yeah, so we also have around here, we did a small little salad mix, if you guys remember. There's a aroma tomato someone actually gave me as a gift. We actually have some sunflowers. These are a dwarf variety of sunflowers. We actually have 2 more Better Boy tomatoes there. And then some more squash. We have some more squash there, cucumbers, and other stuff. So that's gonna do it for now. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I am definitely back on the channel. We're gonna be doing live updates throughout the next couple weeks. I am so happy you guys joined me. Do me a favor. Once again, I'm new on YouTube. I'm trying to build this channel. I'm trying to share what I'm doing from my perspective, right? Comment below. I really appreciate that. Hit the thumbs up. It helps with the notifications. You guys get notified as soon as I upload new content. So I really appreciate it, guys, and I will see you guys on the next video.